This is the third video from the chapter Solid State. In front of you, you can see a unit cell. In this figure, the parameters which are responsible for different types of unit cells are given. The parameters are the edges, the length of the edge, and the angles present between the three edges. When these things change, they give rise to 7 different types of unit cells. Now the edges you can see, but alpha is the angle present between B and C, beta is the angle present between A and C, and gamma is the angle present between A and B. Now in the next slides you can see the different unit cells. There are main 7 types of unit cell. First is simple cubic, which has the 3 sides equal and the 3 angles equal to 90 degree. Second is tetragonal, which have AB equal not equal to C and the 3 angles 90 degree. Orthorhombic has A not equal to B not equal to C and the 3 angles 90 degree. Monoclinic unit cell has A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha beta angles equal to 90 degree and gamma not equal to 90 degree. Triclinic has all the 3 sides unequal and all the 3 angles unequal and even not equal to 90 degree. Hexagonal has AB equal not equal to C, alpha beta angles 90 degree and gamma 120 degree. Rhombohedral has 3 sides equal, alpha, beta and gamma angles equal, but they are not equal to 90 degree. Now here in out of the 7 types, we can see that they are again divided into 14 types. 7 types of unit cells are divided into further 14 types depending on the position of the particle, where the particle is situated. So they are classified into 2 categories: simple unit cells, that is primitive, and centered unit cell. In primitive unit cell, the particles are only present at the corner, and in centered unit cell, the particle it is divided into 3 types again: body centered, face centered and end centered. In body centered, along with the corner, the particle is also present in the center of the unit cell, center of the body. In face centered, along with the corners, the particle is present at all the faces, center of all the faces. And in end centered, along with the corners, the particle is also present at the center of any 2 opposite faces. So including the position of the particles also, we have divided it into total 14 types. Now in front of you, you can see a clear picture of the 7 types of unit cells depending upon the difference in the lengths of their edges and also depending upon the angles present between them. We can have main 7 systems. आता याच्यामध्ये we have got subtypes again depending on the presence of particle that we saw just now, how we have simple divided into cubic system divided into simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. So study the diagram completely. The next slide shows you the presence of particle. See, now first is cubic. Cubic मध्ये we've got 3 types: simple, body centered and face centered. So you can see the particles. Simple मध्ये only at the corners, body centered मध्ये corners ला आहेत. At the same time, at the center of the body, one particle is present. In face centered, along with the corners, at the center of the faces, also the particles are present. Second is tetragonal. Tetragonal मध्ये we've got 2 types: primitive and body centered. Monoclinic, we've got primitive and end centered. In orthorhombic, we have got primitive, body centered and end centered as well as face centered. 4 we have got. End centered मध्ये at the 2 opposite faces we have only the particles present. In triclinic, we have only one type primitive, so only corners ला present आहे. Primitive is also called as simple. Rhombohedral मध्ये we have one type and in hexagonal also we have one type. फक्त hexagonal मध्ये इथे the particles are not shown. Now further we will see how many number of particles are present in particular unit cell. Now this is a unit cell which is of simple cubic type. In this we have 8 spheres present at the 8 corners of the unit cell. Now see, at each corner only 1/8 part of the particle is present. One particular particle हा 8 युनिट सेल्समध्ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होतोय, तर प्रत्येक युनिट सेलच्या कॉर्नरमध्ये त्या पार्टिकलचा फक्त 1/8 पार्ट प्रेझेंट आहे. So how we can calculate? See the fifth point. The total number of particles present in one cubic unit cell is 1/8 into 8. 1/8 म्हणजे एका कॉर्नरला 1/8 पार्ट आहे, and as there are 8 corners, we write 1/8 into 8 which is equal to 1 particle. Second is body centered cubic unit cell. या केसमध्ये in the diagram you can see that at 8 corners 1/8 particle is present and 1 particle at the center. So therefore the total number of particles present in one body centered cubic, that you call BCC, is 1/8 into 8 plus 1, that is 2 particles are present in case of body centered cubic. In case of face centered cubic we will have 1 particle constituting at 8 corners, म्हणजे 1/8 into 8 proper 1 particle झाला. See the third point. In addition to this, there is one more particle at the center of each face, contributing only half sphere. So total number of particles at 6 faces become 1/2 into 6, 1/2 into 6. एका फेजला फक्त हाफ पार्टिकल येतोय, तर फेजेस किती आहेत? 6. So 1/2 into 6 म्हणजे 3. The total 3 particles plus 1/8 particle at 8 corners. So you get 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2 into 6. That makes the total number of particles 4.